we're gonna get our exhaust modified today. This is the exhaust that was on the truck originally. That goes with the motor. You know, we had to change the headers to fit the new steering and suspension. So Ultimate Headers built this new set of headers. And we're long tube headers now, so we're gonna have to come in here. We're gonna cut this off straight, and then this will be our new O2 sensor bung, which will go into our collector and our collector clamp, and it'll fit in just like so. So we're gonna get this mocked up today and try to get our exhaust finale'd out today. Is what we're working on. So let's hook this thing up and see what we got here. Got us a little polishing done on the wheels today. How do you like polishing?
Like it better off camera.
What are you using? Boom! The aluminum polish. While he's doing that, I'm gonna set up, get this rear end wired up, get our tailgates, lights, tailgate hardware, all of it lined out, set up, ready to install. I've been working on my air filter here. Gonna have to TIG in the mass airflow bung. So I think I got it pretty well set where I want. So we'll get that pulled off here and get it tigged up just shortly. That's why I had to set this fender back on here. Give me my radiator support length there. Get our vintage air wired up. Get our vintage air plumbed. I kind of pre-plumbed it back like they had it, but we're going to change some things on it. So that's what we've been doing today. Hey, I'm busting in here because I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel, for giving us all the views and all the likes. So I'm feeling good today. We got a good video going today, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slash the prices on our t-shirts. So we got a handful of different kind of t-shirts. So if you go to DieboldAutoBody.com, click on the merch store, buy any t-shirt that we have on our website. We have a few different designs. Any t-shirt that we have, here I'll show you another one here. I'm gonna give you, with that, a free air freshener. I can't explain how good these air fresheners smell and how long that they last. So you're gonna get a free air freshener, and you're gonna get a decal kit of every color. You're gonna get all 4 decal packs in every color. These things have our awesome hashtag no trailer queen, I drive my shit, included with your t-shirt purchase. So go to our website, DieboldAutoBody.com, click on the merch link, buy you a t-shirt, and I'm gonna hook you up with all kinds of great goodies besides a t-shirt. right, we got our tail lights in. We'll put the tailgate together and get it put on. Then we're gonna move to the bumper. We're gonna clean the holes out, threads out on these holes.
Ain't stress enough, anti-seize.